welcome to a whole new vlog. Today I will be making caldo de pollo and I'll be showing you exactly what I use to make it, the vegetables and what kind of chicken. I do always work with what I have, boneless chicken or with bone, you know, it's good. I use the same ingredients. Do it however you like, with or without bone. But I will be showing you guys the ingredients I do use to make it. I told you guys before, I do fry my veggies. It gives it, you know, a different flavor. Fry them a little bit with a little bit of olive oil. My veggies are cut up already. I have carrots, I have bell pepper, onion, celery, and potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and pour them in there so I could fry them a little bit with olive oil. I do also put in the caldo the ground turmeric, black pepper, and garlic salt so I could fry it. As you guys can see, I do fry my veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of turmeric, black pepper, and garlic salt. This is the chicken I use. I always use whatever I have. Sometimes it's boneless. These are chicken thighs from Costco. It's the Kirkland brand, and they do have a little bit of bone. I'm gonna use 2 little packets. The water is already almost boiling, so I'm gonna leave them boiling there while I'm frying the veggies. I'm gonna show you guys what I add. Instead of adding arroz, I make it a little bit healthier and I add 1 cup of quinoa. There you go. 1 cup of quinoa, and I do that towards the end when everything's almost done. Here you go, quinoa instead of the rice. A little bit healthier version of it. I wanted to let you guys know the ground turmeric does give a lot of color and flavor, and it's something very healthy. I've been researching it up and look, you know, that way you know all the benefits this brings to your meals and health. After the caldo's done, I'll show you guys how it looks. I am boiling the chicken with garlic and onion, and that gives it a little bit of more flavor. And then when that's almost done, I'll go ahead and add veggies since the veggies are already done. This is how the caldo de pollo looks. Really yummy. This is how the caldo de pollo came out. They're all nice and served, and we're getting ready to have dinner.